Hello and welcome to Darreck's BodyMaitre podcast, the space where we explore healing, self-discovery, and the deeper layers of who we are through the four bodies system, the spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical bodies. Each episode, we uncover the hidden elements, thoughts, emotions, energies, and patterns that quietly shape our daily experiences and determine how much flow, joy, and alignment we feel in life. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic from the BodyMaitre emotional body chart. Something that sounds simple but is incredibly powerful in manifestation. What is the block to feeling excitement? So, what exactly is excitement in the emotional body? Excitement is that spark of energy, the feeling of being alive, inspired, and eager for what's to come. It's a high-frequency emotion that tells the universe, I'm ready, I'm open to receive. From the perspective of the law of attraction, excitement acts like a magnet. When you feel genuinely excited about your goals or desires, your emotional frequency aligns with creation. You're broadcasting joy, readiness, and positive expectation, and that vibration attracts matching experiences into your life. But what happens when you can't feel excited, even about the things you once loved or looked forward to? That's when we may be dealing with a block to excitement in the emotional body. A block to excitement can feel like dullness, emotional numbness, or lack of motivation. You might know what you want, but the spark just isn't there. It's as if something inside says, why bother? Or, I don't deserve to feel happy about this. Let's look at how this can play out in daily life. Maybe you've started a new project, relationship, or goal, and instead of enthusiasm, you feel flat or tired. Or perhaps you catch yourself saying things like, I used to get excited about my dreams, but now I just feel stuck. This emotional dullness can come from deeper patterns, past disappointments, burnout, or even subconscious beliefs that say it's unsafe to feel too happy, because happiness might be followed by loss or letdown. In the BodyMaitre system, excitement doesn't just come from the emotional body alone. It's influenced by all four. Spiritual body. When disconnected from your higher self or purpose, your excitement dims. It's hard to feel inspired when you've lost touch with divine flow. Mental body, negative programming or self-doubt, like I don't deserve success or things never work out for me, can override your emotional excitement. Emotional body, suppressed emotions like disappointment or fear of failure can block the energy of excitement directly. Physical body, when the body feels tired, drained, or stressed, it can't hold high frequencies like excitement easily. So if excitement feels distant, it's often a sign that one or more of your four bodies are out of alignment. This is where the BodyMaitre Four Bodies Dowsing charts become powerful tools. You can use your pendulum to connect with your higher self and angels and ask, is there any block or interference preventing me from feeling excitement? Then by scanning through the four bodies charts, you'll identify where the block exists, whether it's a mental belief, an emotional wound, a spiritual interference, or a physical exhaustion pattern. Once the root cause is revealed, that's when real transformation can begin. You can start clearing it using the BodyMaitre Command Deck and Four Bodies transformation techniques, or any other healing modalities you're familiar with, such as spiritual response therapy, prayer, energy work, or forgiveness practices. The key is to consciously transform that limiting element into its positive, life-affirming counterpart, allowing your energy to flow freely again. For example, mental body, transform pessimism into optimism. Emotional body, release numbness and invite joy. Spiritual body, clear heavy energies and reconnect with divine light. Physical body, ground yourself and allow vitality to return. When all four bodies are aligned, the feeling of excitement flows naturally again, and with it, your ability to manifest what you truly desire. Take a moment to reflect. Have you noticed times when it's been difficult for you to feel excited, even about things you once enjoyed? Could there be an old disappointment, a belief, or fatigue that's dimmed your spark? You might ask yourself, when was the last time I felt truly excited about life? What might be weighing down my emotional energy? Am I allowing myself to feel joy without fear or hesitation? So, to summarize, excitement is not just a feeling, it's a frequency of creation. When you allow excitement to flow through your four bodies, you align with your highest creative power. But when it's blocked, it's simply a signal, an invitation to explore, clear, and realign. Remember, Your higher self and angels are always ready to help you restore that spark. Use your BodyMaitre charts to discover what's holding it back, and invite excitement, joy, and inspiration to move freely once again. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of BodyMaitre Podcast. Until next time, keep exploring your inner world with curiosity, compassion, and a little spark of excitement.